This Jaqua Realtors property video is presented by Teresa Page. This captivating, turnkey Cape Cod enjoys a stunning hilltop presence with a premier location in desirable Woodbridge Hills. This warm and inviting home was beautifully remodeled in 2015, with floor-to-ceiling high-end finishes including gleaming hardwood floors, granite and quartz countertops, an enviable gourmet kitchen, and much more. The charming exterior was further renovated with a new roof, gutters, windows, and picturesque landscaping including an incredible custom koi pond with waterfall.The location is unparalleled, situated in a planned urban development featuring a superb private golf course, and with easy walking distance to a top-ranked elementary and middle school, grocery store, restaurants, coffee shop and more. Truly a one-of-a-kind offering. Playset.